Palmworms, specifically the larvae of the palm weevil, Rhynchophorus palmarum or R. phoenesis, are a highly nutritious, protein-rich traditional food source in tropical regions of Asia, Africa, and South America. Often described as having a creamy, nutty, or savory taste, resembling bacon, shrimp, or cheese, they are consumed raw, roasted, or fried. Palmworms are rich in protein, fat, vitamins A and E, and essential minerals including iron, zinc, and magnesium. They are considered a sustainable alternative protein source, sometimes used to combat malnutrition.